Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you are scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.